The Lord be with you, good everyone. And today is Tuesday, and our gospel will be coming from St. Matthew chapter 13, verses 36 to 43. Jesus said that at the end, the weeds will be gathered and will be burnt. In the same way, the evildoers of this world will be suffering the pangs of hell, and they will be grinding and wailing. Today, my dear sisters and brothers, we may have so many questions. Why seemingly the evil always triumph? Why seemingly those people who are doing evil are the one progressing and having a good life? So today, the gospel is reminding us all, there is an end for evil. There is an end for the evildoers. And we just have to persevere. We just have to remain in the grace of God, because our God, who is so just, will definitely reward a persevering heart. Today, the question is always, is the church being too complacent? Are we too welcoming? Why are we allowing people who are trying to destroy our church? Why are we trying to allow others to destroy Christ? Why are we allowing others to offend our faith? Well, let me tell you, we shall never allow it to happen. We are speaking and doing what we can. But in the end, we believe that the greatest power is not about retaliation. The greatest power is on humility, because we believe that the battle will definitely be won in the end by our Lord Jesus Christ. The limitation of our power, the limitation of what we can because of the loss of the land, will definitely be augmented by the power and by the sole grace and authority of our Lord Jesus Christ. We have seen today in our Olympics how some of them try to mock our God. But we will not be just sitting there. We will have to speak. But if our voice will not be enough, in the end, let God in His justice do what is best for the whole world. God bless you.